Understanding Governance, Risk, and Compliance GRC. Welcome to our in depth exploration of governance, risk, and compliance, commonly known as GRC. In this video, we will unravel the essence of GRC and its indispensable role in modern organizations. What is GRC? Definitions and key terms. GRC stands for Governance, Risk, and Compliance. It represents a structured approach to aligning IT with business objectives, managing risks effectively, and meeting compliance requirements. Think of it as a comprehensive framework that empowers organizations to operate ethically and efficiently. By integrating these three critical functions, GRC provides a holistic view of an organization's operations, preventing silos and ensuring that everyone is working towards the same objectives. It's about fostering a culture of accountability and transparency. The importance of GRC. Implementing GRC is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it enhances decision-making by providing accurate and timely information, enabling leaders to make informed choices that align with the organization's strategic goals. Secondly, GRC improves operational efficiency by streamlining processes and reducing redundancies, thereby saving time and resources. This leads to increased productivity and profitability. Furthermore, GRC strengthens risk management by identifying, assessing, and mitigating potential threats, thus protecting the organization's assets and reputation. This proactive approach minimizes the impact of adverse events. GRC's role in organizations. GRC plays a vital role in ensuring regulatory compliance, helping organizations adhere to industry standards and legal requirements, and avoiding penalties and legal issues. This is particularly significant in highly regulated industries. Moreover, GRC fosters a culture of ethical behavior by establishing clear guidelines and promoting transparency, thereby building trust with stakeholders and enhancing the organization's reputation. Finally, GRC supports sustainable growth by managing risks effectively and ensuring compliance, creating a stable foundation for long-term success. This enables organizations to adapt to changing market conditions and seize new opportunities. In conclusion, GRC is more than just a set of processes, it is a strategic imperative. It enables organizations to operate effectively, manage risks proactively, and comply with regulations confidently. Embracing GRC is essential for success in today's complex business environment. Thank you for joining us, and stay tuned for more insights into the world of GRC.